In the morning light we all rise. The sun is shining in the skies. The rooster crows and the cows moo loud. We're ready for the day, we're all so proud. The pig rolls in the mud so fine. The sheep graze peacefully in line. The chickens cluck, the ducks all quack. The horses trot and never look back. When the rain comes down, we all find cover. Under the big barn roof, we care for each other. Through the fields and the hay, we share the load. Together we travel down the farmyard road. As the day comes to an end, we rest our heads, snuggled in the hay in our cozy beds. The moon is shining and the stars are bright. Farmyard friends all tucked in tight. The cows help plow the field so wide, while the birds above soar side by side. The sheep keep watch over the hill, while the donkey pulls the cart with skill. The dog barks a greeting loyal and true. The cat naps softly with a purr or two. Together though we laugh, together we play in our farmyard home every single day.